Shell is down -3.39% today, and the reasons behind it may surprise you. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. It is Friday, May 8th, and this is your complete global market briefing. It is a split session across global markets. This comes as severely oversold. Wall Street says a relief rally is coming for struggling stocks as the Iran war enters its second month. Business Insider, adding pressure to energy markets. Let us start with the major global indices. S&P 500 slipped to $7,337.11, minus 0.38% on the session. NASDAQ 100 slipped to $28,564, minus 0.12% on the session. Dow Jones dipped to $49,597, minus 0.63% on the session. DAX dipped to $24,428, minus 0.96% on the session. FTSE 100 dipped to $10,198, minus 0.77% on the session. Equity markets are responding to reports that it's a bear market rally, the sell-off to resume, seeking alpha. Now let us turn to some of the biggest names in global equities. Shell is trading lower by -3.39% to $84.24. JP Morgan is trading lower by -2.74% to $306.27. Toyota is trading lower by -2.18% to $2,913. HSBC is trading lower by -2.14% to $1,306.80. This comes as from panic to pricing in. Are markets past peak fear and sell-off despite oil price surge, adding pressure to energy markets? Now let us dig into the macro picture driving these moves. On the geopolitical front, this comes as severely oversold. Wall Street says a relief rally is coming for struggling stocks as the Iran war enters its second month. Business Insider, adding pressure to energy markets. This is adding a risk premium across energy markets and supporting safe haven flows. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. Rate expectations remain the dominant macro driver for equities and currencies. Any surprise, hawkish or dovish, has the potential to trigger outsized moves. Investor sentiment is being shaped by why Nvidia's big earnings report couldn't revive the stock market rally after all. Business Insider. Turning to commodities, Brent crude ticked up to $100.17 per barrel, up 0.11% on the session. WTI crude slipped to $94.49 per barrel, down 0.34% on the session. Natural gas edged higher to $2.80, up 1.16% on the session. Gold edged higher to $4,727.70 per troy ounce, up 0.59% on the session. This comes as from panic to pricing in. Are markets past peak fear and sell-off despite oil price surge, adding pressure to energy markets? Safe haven demand is being supported by reports that is gold still a safe haven now that inflation is rising again? CBS News. This comes as severely oversold. Wall Street says a relief rally is coming for struggling stocks as the Iran war enters its second month. Business Insider, adding pressure to energy markets. Let us give you our near-term view on Shell. With today's selling pressure, the key support level to watch for Shell is around $80.03. A failure to hold there could accelerate the decline. For a recovery, bulls need to see a reversal in the macro drivers currently weighing on prices. This is our view. Always do your own research. In the currency markets, euro to US dollar is at 1.18, gaining 0.22% on the day. Pound sterling to US dollar is at 1.36, gaining 0.21% on the day. US dollar to Japanese yen is at 156.63, gaining 0.08% on the day. The move in the dollar reflects reports that gold price today, May 8th, surged to $4,753 on easing oil and inflation signals. Markets.com. Before we wrap up, here is your watch list for the week ahead. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and key data releases. Any of these could be the catalyst that defines the next directional move. If you found this analysis useful, please hit the like button. It genuinely helps us reach more investors. Subscribe and turn on notifications for our daily market briefings. Drop your view in the comments. Are you bullish or bearish from here? We read every comment and often feature viewer questions in future videos. That is all from MTRS_Market Pulse for today. All analysis is for informational and educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always consult a qualified financial advisor for your specific situation. Trade safe, and we will see you in the next one.